Hi everyone, this is Elena. Welcome to my channel How to Tie a Scarf. In today's video I'll show you just one way how you can tie your scarf, but with some subtle changes it will look different. You will see. Today I'm wearing this gray pullover, nothing special you see, but you will be amazed how it can be transformed with a silk scarf. For this style, I fold the scarf as a triangle and tie a loose knot on one of the ends. Now we take our scarf this way and fold this side. We place the scarf on the shoulders and pass the fold through the knot. And now see the magic happens. I can leave it as is. This is our first style. Or we pull our flower more out of the knot. See the transformation. Beautiful, isn't it? And for the third style, we need to tie the knot a few inches higher than before. And again, hold the scarf like this, pass the fold through the knot, and now just form a flower. If you tie a scarf and you see the results that are different, it doesn't mean that you do something wrong. It means that you just invented your own look. If you like scarf, check those videos for more ideas. Subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments down below what kind of video tutorial you would like to see in the future. Hope to see you soon. Bye!